Hey, math fans, we're on section 1.1. We're on day 2. Let's get started. Here are our learning objectives. Take a moment to look through and see what we're going to learn. Categorical variables place individuals into one of several groups or categories. As you can see here, we're looking at an example of a radio station that has different types of formats and the count of the stations that actually play that type of format. Notice that they have totals at the bottom. And what we can do is we can calculate a percentage or a relative frequency based on those totals. Notice too that when we are doing averages or we're doing totals, it might not come out to exactly 100%. And that's because some of these values are being rounded. And when you round, things won't come out to be absolutely perfect. When we display categorical data, the frequency tables can be difficult to read, and sometimes it's easier just to analyze using a bar chart or a pie chart. Now, a pie chart can only be used if we can actually get a total of close to 100%. If the categories don't have anything to do with each other or don't add up to the whole pie, it's not wise to use a pie chart. A bar graph would probably be better. Couple things when you're making a bar graph, make sure that the bars are equally wide. And it's tempting to replace the bars with pictures for greater eye appeal, but don't do it. When you really want to show the frequency or the relative frequency, you want to make sure every bar is the same width. Which graphical display is best for this particular example? Notice that these percents, this is already 91%, this is 71%. This is not going to add up to 100, and because these aren't mutually exclusive, we'll talk later about what that is, but there could be some people that post photos of themselves and their email address, and so there's going to be some overlap there. So you would not want to show a pie chart. And as you can see, here's the bar graph that would be best for this particular example. And that'll do it for day 2. We'll see you in class.